Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Winner, chicken dinner. It's been so long time since I have a winner unboxing, and now I am having a winner unboxing. Take a look. Qu'est-ce que vous nous mijotez? Warmco portable neck fan. When you are so lazy. Anyway, I remember I have seen this company, I have seen this kind of product last year. And last year I went to Amalfi, and it was so hot, Mediterranean. And I saw someone with a neck with this, and I think that was the fan. And now I am getting this company sending me this. How do I open it? I think I need to open this one first. Yes, this first, and then this out. This must be the charging wire. Yes, USB and USB-C charging, and white color. And where is the fan? So I think here is the fan. Let's give it a try. Oh, one button, so easy. Oh my goodness. Oh, here there is. Oh, the air comes out of here. So it actually, oh, that's quite comfortable. Yeah, quite comfortable. Okay, you take a look of myself. Okay, this is how it works. Let me lower it down a little bit. You can see a little bit. And the air comes out of here. And it's so cool. Oh my goodness, it's so cool here. Oh, it's very, very comfortable, actually. It's very comfortable. Oh, stronger. Even stronger. Oh, 4 level. Oh my gosh. It's almost like taking an airplane. Oh, that's so cool. And it feels so cool. Oh, that's quite a smart design. Warmco. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Oh, it's getting cold. Goodbye. Bye.